Hi everybody, I hope you're having a good day. It's a lovely day today and it's also half term and we're going to have an English breakfast for lunch, if that makes sense. So I thought, well, I'll show you how I do an English breakfast using a Ninja. I do use the hob a little bit to fry my eggs, and I use the microwave to microwave the beans. But all in all, it's our way of doing an English breakfast. I am missing mushrooms, which is slightly annoying. I should have bought some, I completely forgot. And I would have hash browns, controversial, I know, some people wouldn't, but I didn't have any of them either, so never mind. So we've got sausages, bacon, black pudding for Al. I don't like black pudding, I couldn't do that. So we've got black pudding, sausages, bacon, cherry tomatoes, because we like cherry tomatoes with our breakfast. And fried eggs for me and the boys, because Al doesn't like fried eggs. So I'm going to crack on and get cooking. Here's the ingredients, a quick glance. There we go. Yeah, let's get the sausages in the Ninja, and I will be adding the bacon a little bit after, when the sausages are nearly done, because this is relatively quick. I'll also, what else? I don't know. Okay, I will just get started. See you in a bit. That's what I wanted to say. The cost breakdown for the whole thing will be at the end of the video. I'm forgetting myself. I don't know what I'm doing. Right, I'm going to open these and get them in the Ninja. Right, that's the sausages in. Just going to give them a little shook about so they're all even. Right, let's turn it on. The crisper plate's in. So I'm just going to air fry. I'm not going to worry about timings because I'm going to be checking, because I need to add the bacon to this drawer. I might do them in this drawer actually, and add the tomatoes a little bit later on, halfway through. So I'll cook the tomatoes with the sausages when the sausages are nearly done. Yeah, so I will get prepared. I need to sort out the bread, at least get it out of its bag and do a bit of organising. See you in a bit. So I've got the beans are out ready for the microwave, but that's ages yet. I'm just going to give these a, oh come on. Give them a shake. And I need to get the frying pan out of the oven, which is my storage. Who is it? Oh, there it is. For my eggs. Handy when you've got such a small kitchen and literally hardly any cupboards. Yeah, that helps a lot. So they're cooking. Oh, I've got some parcels to open. I will open those while we're waiting for the sausages to cook. Shall we have a look? I'm going to have to find a place for you. Hold on a minute. Bear with. Right, you were sitting on the parcels when I first started the video. Let's have a look. I have no idea what's inside these. Thank you so much, whoever sent them. We will find out shortly. I can use the boxes at the allotment. Oh no, I'm going to put this. Oh, let's just get rid of that box. Oh my God, look at that. It's a Kuhn, Rikon. I haven't got my glasses, I don't know what they are. Oh, for God's sake. Hold on, a cotton picking minute. Oh my God, that's so cool. Hold on, who is that from? Oh, Christine Murray. Oh my God. Enjoy your gift. Dear Kerry, a big thank you for your great cooking vlogs. You won't have to faff about trying to make breadcrumbs. From Kiss from Christine Murray. Oh my God, Christine. Thank you so much. That is absolutely brilliant. Oh, I'm going to have fun playing with that. I'll be showing, you know, using that on the channel. Oh, hold up, sausages, I can hear them sizzling. Good shook about. Oh, that is brilliant. Thank you so much, Christine. You're very generous, honestly, that's amazing. Wow, I think it's got all sorts of chopping devices. Chops foods coarse, medium or fine. Even purees, dips, soups and sauces in seconds. Wow. Cool, that's really cool. Thank you very much. I do have another parcel, so hold on, I'll just get that. Right, bear with, let's open this one. I'm blown away, honestly, you're very generous, really are. That's absolutely lovely, really is. Oh, this is, that's so good. Oh, thank you. Who is this? Oh, hold on, hand. Oh my God, it gets better. Hold up. Now I've got labels so I can read. Hold on. This, I really need this. This is amazing. Oh, wow. Oh, Ultimate Ninja Cookbook. That is fantastic. Right, we've got to find out who this is from. And look, one of these. I need one because I was using my those little tiny mini ones. Oh my God. Hold on, the chip. Oh, got chips on the mind. Look, because of this crinkle cut chip thing. Right, hold up, hold up. Oh. I tell you what, air fryers and sausages, best thing ever. They evenly brown. I love them. I love it for that. Right, who's this from? Let me get these slips. There's quite a few. So Carol Atkins, thank you so much. That's from the cake cooling rack. Thank you so much, Carol. Carol Atkins, thank you for that. That is really lovely. I absolutely 100% need one. We needed one of those. Thank you very much. Blimey, multiple gifts, gosh. I can't work out who that's from. Oh, hello, Carol. Oh, Carol Hansen, thank you. You said, didn't you? Hi, Kerry, enjoy your gifts from me to you. Love your channel. Look forward to you making some great recipes from the cookbook. Definitely, definitely. From Hansen, that's your YouTube name, Carol in Harwich, Essex. Oh, wow. Carol, oh, that's so good. That looks fantastic. I can't wait to try for you. I'm going to browse that after I've eaten my, seriously, some serious inspiration in there. That's really great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, I don't know whether you gave the chip thingy. I'll try and find out. So it should say, oh my Lord. I'm not sure if the crinkle cut one. Normally these slips, they tell you, but it just says a gift for you, so it's possibly anonymous. I think. Sorry about this, bear with. Oh, Carol, that's so generous. Thank you so much. And Christine, honestly, that's absolutely, I'm blown away. Thank you. Right, I've got to put these away, otherwise I'm going to burn the sausages because it's just highly distracting. And whoever gave me this, Carol, if it was you, thank you very much. It just doesn't say on the slip, but thank you very much. This is amazing because they were definitely mentioning, someone mentioned that they used a crinkle cutter, and I do like crinkle cut chips. I used to buy them frozen, you know, for convenience and all that kind of stuff. But this will be great fun to try. I'll definitely be trying with these, and I'll do a vlog on it as well. Thank you. Right, let's check these sausages out because they don't take long. Oh my God, they look good. I'm going to add the tomatoes now. Let's check that out. and also add the put the bacon in the other drawer. So let me just chuck these in. Hold on. I need to push this back. Gosh, so fantastic! I can't believe it. Thank you so much. I'm just looking for a chopping board, just because I never quite want to rest the. They get very hot, so I'm always slightly worried that I'll burn the work surface, and I don't want to do that because that would cost to replace. Right, I'm bunging in the tomatoes. Come and have a look. Look at the sausages. I mean, they're nowhere near ready as far as I'm concerned, but they're really getting there. They don't have that, you know, back when you used to cook on the fry them or whatever, that they'd have the stripes. You know, where you get that anemic sausage look. You don't get that in a air fryer. It's fantastic. Right. So they've been in just over 10 minutes. So much quicker than the oven or frying, I find. I think it's brilliant. Right, let's get the bacon in that one. I'm going to put it down again. Just going to put the bacon in. I fold them in order to create more space in the ninja. I'll show you in a bit when I've got them in. Because they do shrink as well, so you can fit more in that way. So how many have I fitted in? 8. So that's 2 each. Fitted 8 in. Okay. Right, oops, come and have a look. So there's 8 rashers of bacon in there, and I'm going to put it on air fry. And start. It's not going to be 20 minutes, but I will make a note at the end. I've just got to wash my hands. Or hand. There we go. Right, I can put the rest of that bacon in the fridge for another day. Beans are quite ready. They will go in soon because I take 5 minutes for the beans, so they actually won't be long. And now I need to get this ready, so I will be back in a tick. I'm such an idiot. I forgot the freaking black pudding. Lidl don't sell black pudding, not in my Lidl anyway. So I got this from my little Sainsbury's up the road. I think it's £1.80 for 4, which isn't bad, but the date on them is actually tomorrow. It needs to be all eaten, so I've bunged the whole lot in on top of the sausages, which are just about ready. I mean, the bacon needs doing, but trust me to forget that, honestly, after I've mentioned it as well. Such a wally. Let's see how the bacon's doing. I can move that about a bit actually. It's a good way of getting a lot of bacon in, folding them in half like that, because they do shrink, and then it kind of creates space, and you can, you know, they never stick to each other or anything like that. They're too fatty for that, but yeah, just keep on going, keep faffing them about, you know, moving them. So yeah, toast is done, so I'm getting the toast ready for me and the boys. I'll be buttering that now, so I'll see you in a bit. It's all go. Oh, alright, because I kind of messed up with the old black pudding. I've transferred the bacon from drawer 2 to drawer 1, and the drawer 1's not on. It's just kind of like a warming, you know, everything's cooked and it's staying hot. So I'll have a quick look. Everything's in there. Ooh, I'll quickly temperature check it actually, because I've only just done this, and I've stuck the what do you call it, black puddings on max crisp to really give them a blast. So let's just check the temperature of the sausages. Well, they're well and truly cooked. Look at that, hitting 90. Keep them in there, keep them warm. So the black pudding's on. I really want that to cook. But we can quickly check the temperature internally so we know where we are. They're sizzling. They're sitting in bacon fat as well. Oh, would help if I turned it on. Oh, I can't be cooking it. Well, let's let it carry on while I'm going to put the beans on. So while they can have a blast, while the beans are going to be in the microwave for 5 minutes, because that always seems to do them fine. So yeah, see you in a bit. In fact, I'll be plated up next time you see me. See you in a bit. Nearly forgot the eggs. Oh god. So, oh no, and I've broken a yolk. Oh, damn it. Yeah. How hell's bells. That'll have to be mine. So they're the eggs. They're going to be doing while the beans are in and the black pudding's happening. Sizzling away, so that's good. Just waiting on the beans and the eggs now. In fact, I'll turn that up a bit. Yeah, so the next time I'll be plated up for definite. See you in a bit. And there we have it. 4 English breakfasts using the Ninja microwave and a hob for the fried eggs. Not bad. I have to say, the Ninja does great sausages. So I'm going to give everybody their breakfast stroke lunch and I'll come and taste test. See you in a bit. Oh, delicious. I'm brown sauce. What are you? Red or brown? I'm brown all the time for me. Absolutely. It's the cheapest sausage in Lidl, but it's, you know, budget wise, perfect, because meat is going up in price like nobody's business. I mean, just look at the sausage. Even coverage. Brilliant. Love the air fryers and do a good sausage. Bacon and tomato. Marriage made in heaven. I wish I had mushrooms. That's the only thing. I did ruin my egg, but never mind. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you have a good week, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for all your comments, and thanks so much, Carol and Christine, for your gifts. Thank you very, very much. And for the anonymous chip crinkle cutter, that's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. I love my gifts. That's amazing. I'm going to make really good use of them, 100%. Take care everybody, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.